Alright, here's a real fast Tech Tip Tuesday for you. If you're using this white plumber's tape to try and seal up your air lines and you're having leaking issues like I just did, take that stuff off there, get your threads all nice and clean, and then go get you some of this. Blue if you want to be able to take it apart in the future, red if you don't care if it comes apart, but the Locktite stick will seal it and seal those threads, and you can index it whatever points you need to. So I'm going to do that to this one now, show you when it's finished. So the reason that you want the stick instead of the regular Locktite is so that you can really build it up on there. I don't know if this will actually focus on it there, but you can see I've just gobbed it all up on there. Then we're just going to screw it in here. You still want to tighten it down, get it tight. But it allows you to index it to right where you need it without worrying about it leaking if it's turned back just a little bit. When you're done, just wipe off your excess. There you go, all done.